You can make your home more comfortable and more functional if you want, and for little money too. And today I will show you how to organize a laundry room with your own hands in just a couple of hours. And now let's get started. We've recently finished building a house and we have a place for a washing machine in this bathroom. Since we prefer multifunctional spaces, this bathroom was planned to be used both as a guest bathroom and as a laundry corner, so my task was to make this space comfortable, neat and cozy. First of all, I will show you one useful solution for our house. This pipe is nothing but a laundry chute. In other words, this is where you dump the dirty laundry from the kids' bathroom and it lands in the laundry room basket. And this is what it looks like. We had a hole made in the floor upstairs where we installed a hatch. Dirty laundry falls through this pipe to the ground floor. And here's the place where we will put a washer and a dryer. I will have to organize all laundry supply storage here. The challenge is that there is equipment installed in the upper left corner, so the opportunity to put functional furniture here is limited. Do you like to go to furniture stores and gather ideas for your own home? I personally love it very much. There you can see everything in person, evaluate the quality and functionality, as well as touch and test different solutions. I just fell in love with furniture specially designed for a laundry room. I found it in a furniture catalog some time ago and was eager to see it in person. Everything here is thought out to the smallest detail, but it demands a separate room, which I don't have. The second option that I came across is a selection of shelving units for washers from IKEA. This option is definitely reliable and functional, however I feel like it works best for rooms that are designated for doing laundry. And since I wanted to make the bathroom specifically cozier, I decided to look for other options. When you are looking for ideas for your home, I recommend you use Pinterest. It's really useful because when you click on a picture, it also shows you other similar content. That is how I found this idea that works best for me. I can arrange the room exactly according to the size of the space I have and for little money. In order to make the countertops and shelves, I needed a wooden board. You can find similar furniture panels of different sizes and from a selection of materials in hardware stores. I went with solid oak because this type of wood is strong and durable. It is also resistant to decay and isn't afraid of temperature changes. I planned in advance how to cut this board, so I ordered it to be cut to my measurements directly at the store. It took them about 10 minutes to do right in front of me and absolutely free of charge. For the shelves I needed corner brackets to attach them to the wall. At first I went with these wooden ones, but then I decided to go with metal brackets so the shelf could withstand more weight. I won't dwell on the rest of the hardware because you will see everything yourself when we get to the building part. For the table with the laundry basket, I found these wooden legs as well as the shelf made of the same solid oak as the main board. Now that we got everything, we can go home and get to work. I would really like to install everything myself, but I am not good at it. Fortunately, my dad was visiting us at that time and in just a couple of hours he assembled all the shelves and countertops for me. First of all, he attached the countertop. He used metal corner brackets from a hardware store for this. The washer fits perfectly under the countertop on the left side. Please note that it's best to leave a little space between the countertop and the washer so that the air could circulate better and the washer wouldn't overheat. On the right side we left a place for a dryer. Next was the shelf's turn and we used metal brackets for this too. And that's how it turned out. The shelves are spaced far enough from each other to accommodate large containers, but at the same time everything is at the height where I can reach it with no problems. Next we had to assemble the table for a laundry basket. I like to sort laundry, so I need a few of them here. Besides, since that is the corner with a laundry chute, it was necessary to put one basket to catch the dirty laundry. When everything was ready, we treated all wooden surfaces with protective oil and let them dry well. Okay, we have finally got to our favorite part, where we organize everything. I'll start with these shelves. I came across this bamboo box with a lid that was on sale, and I bought it without a second thought. All the items that I don't use often go in this box. It is really lightweight and easy to grab from the upper shelves. Another thing I like about this box is that it has holes, which means that even though the contents will be covered, they will still be well ventilated. To add a cozy touch to this room, I put an artificial grass plant here. There is not enough light here for living plants, and watering them would be a challenge. And now I am going to share with you a trick to make the detergent bottles look tidier. For this I tear off the sticker from the bottle and cut out the part with useful information. I leave here the name of the product, instructions on how to use and its ingredients. I like the result. These bottles will be kept in a visible place, and since I don't use them often, they will be there for a long time, so I didn't mind investing a couple of minutes of my time to make them look nicer. You may have already seen these bamboo boxes in my videos. I bought them specially for this bathroom. In one of them I will put all the laundry bags. I have a lot of them because I use them often, and not just to wash delicate clothes and shoes, but also to take them on trips, since it's so easy to keep swimsuits, underwear and socks in them. And we need a bunch of these bags for the entire family. In the second box I organize all the small things that I frequently need, such as stain removers for clothes and color catchers. Let's organize the bottom shelf. On the left I place a turntable tray and stack the bottles on it. It's a compact and convenient way to store bottles because you just need to turn the tray to reach the bottles in the back. Two bamboo boxes fit perfectly next to the tray. And that's the result! At the time of filming this video we purchased a dryer, which is now on the right side of our washer. Are you familiar with dryer balls? I ordered them online since they were much cheaper than in my local stores. I bought a 7-piece set. I read that it helps to save electricity if you throw them in a dryer because they separate clothes from each other and it's easier for a dryer to do its job. Also, clothes don't crumple as much. To store them I got this hanging basket and attached it to the top shelf. This will be the new storage location for the wooden balls. You have already seen this next idea in my videos before. I like to have all the powder detergents at hand, that's why I moved the box that I've been using for 10 years now to this place above the washer. It's already old, but I think it will serve me for many more years. It's a good way to organize all the laundry tools in one place, which helps your bathroom look much tidier. And finally, to hide the cords and sockets, I put here a felt basket with a twig of an artificial plant. Let's move on to the organization of laundry baskets. I found these wonderful baskets with handles that fit here both in style and size. Here I could fit 4 of them, and to make it easier to sort all the laundry, I came up with this solution. For example, in this one at the bottom of the big basket I keep black clothes. On top of it I have the laundry bag with red clothes, waiting for their turn. If something ends up in the wrong category, it's not a big deal, but usually it doesn't happen to me. This bag helps me keep 2 categories of laundry clothes in each basket, so I keep it in every one of them. By the way, the upper left basket is empty because it's the one that catches clothes from the laundry chute. Later I take everything out and sort it by color and type of fabric. I already had this grey laundry basket at home, so I hid it under the sink. With the purchase of a dryer, my world was divided into before and after, as well as the world of my drying racks. I almost never use them anymore. That's why I put them away by the wall. And in case I need to dry something small or use a hanger, I attached a tension rod here. I can always remove it if I need to. It's nice when the laundry corner is not only functional but cozy as well. That makes doing household chores much more pleasant. That is why I attached a self-adhesive hook on the door and hung this leather picture bought from Mongolia years ago. I love the final result. It was all done by hand and for little money. wood is a welcoming material which made the bathroom look homey. And of course, everything is organized in a convenient and functional way. A comfy atmosphere like that makes time fly when you do the laundry. If you liked this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!